What if I told you there's a tablet that can survive a dip in the pool, heavy rain, or even a fall into the mud? This thing is built tough, but it's not just about durability, it also packs some pretty unique features, like a massive 20,000 mAh battery, a built-in 1100 lumen camping flashlight, a night vision camera, and a body that is certified to survive a 12-meter drop. But the big question is it actually any good? Let's find out in the unboxing. Well, on the box, it highlights some of the main features like NFC, storage and RAM, 8GB plus 16GB of extended RAM. The box itself is pretty big, so I'm really curious to see what's inside. Let's open it up. Inside we get the Spider 10 itself. It's huge and has some weight to it, so let's set it aside for a moment. Everything is neatly arranged, nothing's just lying around, as usual. But what's unusual here are the accessories it comes with, like a stylus, which feels solid and responsive, great for note-taking or sketching, and an OTG adapter that lets you easily connect USB drives or other devices. We also get a 45-watt charging adapter, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a user manual, a hand strap for better grip during outdoor or work use, and even a screwdriver with extra screws, which is a nice touch for easy maintenance. That's everything you get in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the tablet itself. Let's be honest, when you first pick up the OSCAL Spider 10, the first thing you notice is the sheer mass. This is not a sleek couch surfing slate. This is a brick. It weighs in at about 1.1 kilograms, nearly 2.4 pounds, and 17 millimeters thick. This is not average sleek consumer tablet. On the top side, we have a customizable button and a microphone. At the bottom, there's a proprietary docking mount for attaching a keyboard. On the left side, you'll find the power and volume buttons, and speaker grills are placed on both the left and right sides for dual stereo speakers. There's quite a lot here: a USB-C charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and since this is a SIM-enabled tablet, you can insert 2 SIM cards or use 1 SIM card and a microSD card for up to 2 TB of storage. The OSCAL Spider 10 also comes with IP68 and IP69K, and also military-grade certifications. It's dust-proof and water-resistant, so you don't have to panic if it starts raining. Your tablet can handle it. You can even watch videos or record underwater without worrying about damage. Just keep in mind, the fingerprint sensor won't work underwater, which is totally normal for most devices, but you can still use the customizable button to start recording, and the display works even with gloves on, making it super convenient in wet or harsh conditions. Only rugged tablets can handle that kind of pressure. Check this out. On the back, equipped with an ultra-bright camping lantern reaching up to 1100 lumens. Two-size camping lanterns are both 550 lumens. It offers 3 lighting modes: lighting, SOS, and quick flashing. Perfect not only for daily use but also for emergencies and outdoor adventures. It handles every situation with ease. For the display, we have an 11-inch FHD plus IPS panel with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, so you can enjoy YouTube, Netflix or any video content in full HD, 1080p. It also features a 120Hz refresh rate with 400 nits brightness, which is a fantastic surprise for a rugged tablet. Everything feels smoother and more responsive. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, giving it extra durability against scratches and drops. You can also take a look at the bezel size and actual screen area here for a better idea of its display proportions. The Spider 10 supports a 45-watt fast charging, which is essential for a battery this large. It also offers 5-watt reverse charging, so it can act as a giant power bank for your phone or other devices. thanks to its 20,000 mAh battery. According to OSCAL, it can last up to 93 days on standby and over 84 hours of light use. Fully charging the tablet takes more than 3 hours. This tablet is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor. I do wish they had used a newer chip, but that would probably bump up the price a bit. Still, it comes with 8GB of physical RAM, plus up to 16GB of virtual RAM and 256GB of storage, expandable up to 2TB, which is plenty for most users. It runs docOS P4.2 based on Android 15, and one of its standout features is PC Mode 2.0, which gives you a desktop-like multitasking experience. Honestly, that's really impressive for a rugged tablet. The tablet features a 13-megapixel front camera, which is suitable for clear video calls and selfies. On the back, there's a 16-megapixel main camera, a reliable workhorse for everyday photos, documentation, or scanning important papers on the job. And then there's the 20-megapixel night vision camera, one of the tablet's biggest highlights. It works surprisingly well in complete darkness, making it perfect for security use, wildlife spotting, or even finding your keys during a power outage. I'll show you some real-world samples so you can see how these cameras perform. I'm recording this video from the OSCAL Spider 10 from the front camera, which is 16 megapixel FHD 1080p. This is the result you get from this tablet. I'm walking slowly so you can see the result, and I'm walking faster now. Not bad. The result looks nice, and while filming you cannot zoom in from the front camera. Now I'm recording this video from the back camera of OSCAL Spider 10, which is 32 megapixel, and I'm recording this video at FHD 1080p. It does not support 2K or 4K, it only offers 1080p. This is 2x and this is 1x. Looks like a ultra wide. Let me show you over here. This is 1x and this is 2x. I think 2x quality looks much better than ultra wide 1x. Okay, so this is 2x, and you can also zoom till 4x. This is 1x, way far, 2x and 4x. It's a specialized tool, and at its price point, it delivers massive value. The OSCAL Spider 10 isn't trying to compete with the iPad or Samsung's flagship tablets. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this the ultimate survival tablet? Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more rugged tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.